Hey everyone! Today we're opening the Lenovo Legion 16i16 Gen 10. For full lab results, reliability, display quality, battery tests, benchmarks, and more, check our detailed review on LaptopMedia.com. The link is in the description. Let's dive in. We start by removing 8 screws from the bottom cover. We're using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. All screws are the same length, so reassembly is easy. Use a thin plastic pick to release the clips around the edges. Avoid metal tools to protect the finish. It's a tight fit. A small suction cup helps lift the panel without flexing it. We're in. First priority is the battery. Remove the screws that secure the battery to the chassis. There are just 2 screws holding this pack. Gently disconnect the battery cable. Pull from the connector, not the wires. Lift out the 84 watt-hour pack for safety. You can see our battery life measurements in the full review on LaptopMedia.com, link below the video. The laptop provides 2 M.2 2280 bays, each wired PCI Express 4x4. We removed the installed drive. Our unit ships with a Samsung PM9C1B 1TB in slot 1. Keep the thermal pad clean for reuse. You'll find storage speed tests and SSD reliability notes in the full review. Next, we take off the metal shield sitting over the memory slots. There's a metallized adhesive strip on the back. Peel it carefully so it can be reapplied during reassembly. We remove the memory sticks, 2 SO-DIMM DDR5 5600 modules. Our configuration has 32 gigs total, running dual channel. Here's the wireless card. We won't remove it. It's a Wi-Fi 7 2x2 module with Bluetooth 5.4. That's the inside of the Legion 7 i16 Gen 10. 84 watt-hour battery, 2 PCI Express 4 storage bays, 2 DDR5 SO-DIMM slots, Wi-Fi 7, and a dual fan thermal setup. For thermals under load, our display measurements, and real-world battery life, head to LaptopMedia.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more teardowns and lab-tested reviews.